Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite recipes. It is a Copycat chicken gnocchi soup like the one from Olive Garden. Being pregnant, I get cravings and I was really craving some Olive Garden soup, so I decided to make this for dinner tonight. Now there goes a sight for my soul. I'm going to leave the full recipe for you guys in the description below, but also talk you through it a little bit. Obviously you can see here the first step is just chopping up all of your ingredients that you're going to be putting into the soup. Do you guys ever have the problem of your eyes tearing up on you when you're cutting onion? Because it happens to me almost every single time. I find that it is a lot easier if you breathe through your mouth, and if you do get that sting, I like to use an essential oil. I'll leave it linked down below if you guys are interested, but that's why I have that bottle open there, because it helps me get through cutting onions.
Chicken?
Yeah, Mommy's making chicken.
No one?
Yep, that's what I'm making.
No one? $2.
No, that one's for today. Mommy's cooking it.
Chicken?
What?
Chicken?
Mm-hmm. Here I am adding in my 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just going to melt that so that way I can add in my onions, my garlic, and my celery and carrots. You're going to cook that for approximately 10 minutes, and while you're doing that you can start to boil your potato gnocchi. I actually didn't do it like that, and I wish I would have, because I would have saved myself a little bit more time in the end. So boil it while you're cooking your vegetables. Now that my vegetables have been cooking for 10 minutes, I am just going to sprinkle in the flour as well as add in my 4 cups of broth. I'm adding it in 1 cup at a time and making sure that I'm really incorporating it in between every single cup. Once I've added in my 4 cups of broth, I'm going to add in my milk. Because I'm making this for my son Liam and he is gluten-free and dairy-free, I actually used coconut milk, but if you're not dairy-free, this is where you would use heavy cream. Once you've added in your chicken, you want to let everything simmer for about 20 minutes or so, making sure to scrape up the bottom so nothing sticks to the pot. And then at the very end, that's when you're going to add in your spinach. As much as you like, I added in a lot here. I put in a little bit of basil, and also that's when you add in your potato gnocchi. Since not all of us are dairy-free in the house, I am adding in the Parmesan at the very end just to put on top, as well as some basil. If you like it a little bit spicier, you can also add some crushed red peppers. It's really, really good. And that is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. If you did, then show me what you guys made on Instagram. I'm really interested. This recipe is so good. It's one of my family's favorites. My kids had 2 servings and we still have a bunch left over. So yeah, let me know how you guys liked it. Liam! Those are great! Gracie's scared!
About the things we used to do. Stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all.
So as you guys can see, my house is busy and crazy and loud. So this is just what we do every night after we're done eating. My husband and I start cleaning up the kitchen. We get the kids to start cleaning or playing with their toys, whatever it is that they're doing during that time. And just try to spend as much time together as we can, having a good time, but also getting what needs to be done.
At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all.
What do you guys use to clean your stovetops with? Because I am struggling with this. My goodness, my husband. I am struggling with this stovetop. It's just not wanting to clean the way that I want it to clean. Right here I made a mixture of baking soda with my thieves cleaner, and it worked fairly well, but I just feel like I can never get it clean enough. So let me know in the comments below what you guys like to use to clean your stovetops with.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. Getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
I just had to share this part in the video because Gracie is just learning how to give kisses, and I thought it was just such a sweet moment that we captured, because she walked right up to me, and as you can see, she just kept giving me kisses. So I was taking as many as I was gonna get. I find it so funny that when I went out and I bought this vacuum, the first thing my husband said was, "Is it really necessary to have a wireless vacuum?" And the funny thing is that he picks it up probably more than I do now that we do have it. So he's just back there vacuuming up all of the mess from the kids eating dinner.
So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb.
Now that we have the kitchen mostly cleaned up, I like to take some time to just meal prep a little bit before the night is over. That way my husband can have some food for the next day to take with him to work. So that's what I was working on here, was just making him like a veggie tray that he can take with him tomorrow.
No.
Gracie, come here, honey. No. Go play in the playroom. Go play with Jackson. Jackson, keep her in there because she's going to pull all the dishes out and Daddy's trying to put them away. Come here.
Let's die.
Jackson,
What?
I still see a big mess in there. Go clean your kitchen.
No.
Like that. Oh my god. Daddy's so low. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.